There's old grass. That's a fish. That's a fish. He hit it. I thought I had a bite. Hello and welcome to another edition of P.O. Box Lake. My name is Matt and it is 27 degrees here in late October in Georgia. I don't know where this came from. It's my day off, so I'm fishing. It's not really windy, but it is very cold out for me. We're gonna get out here. We're gonna throw some stuff, see if we can catch a fish or two, and brave this 27 degree weather. If it gets windy, I'm out. I don't do wind. Wind and kayak fishing is just miserable. No wind out right now, just calm, 27 degrees. Maybe the fish will bite, maybe they won't. You know, I always say the same stuff. Maybe they'll bite, maybe they won't. So let's get out there and I'll shut up and let's catch some fish. Oh, thought I had a bite. There's old grass. Is it? That's a fish. That's a fish. He hit it. I thought I had a bite. That's a fish, y'all. This guy feels good. He feels good. Yeah, he is a good one. He's a good one. He's a keeper. He is a keeper. Get him over here in the live well. Yeah, on that Z-Man Chatterbait. So I hit some grass, or maybe he bit it, and it's possible he bit it and then was lethargic. But he hit it the second time because I felt like it was moving. Yeah, look at that. He's a good one. I think he's probably about a 15 incher. He's probably, I don't know, pound. So hit the old Z-Man Chatterbait right there, just cruising through. Just about a medium pace there. So let's get him on the board. Let's get you back in the old water there. There's another one. There's another one. Oh man. Well, he was giving it some good action. He was giving it some real good action. We got us something here. We got, look at this, y'all, another fairly big perch. Another big perch. Stop, look at that. Look at that face. Look at, he's smiling. He's all puffed up. He's got some nice barbs on him. But yeah, he got some fins right there. Oh, look at that. I'll give you a good upper view there. What a perch does when he's caught like he is here. He's all flared out. He's got some spikes, but he's also got those gills flared out right there. So He's another good looking perch, but you know what, buddy? We'll just let you go. Woo, there he goes. That's it, y'all, on the Ned rig. You don't know what you're gonna catch on the Ned rig. I've caught bluegill, I've caught crappie, caught all kinds of stuff on Ned rig, but you know, that's when the fish won't bite. Go for that Ned rig, you know, and see if you can score you a bass or so. But just, I like finesse fishing, so we'll get out there again. Finally got us one. There we go. There we go. Oh, he's a good one. Full spot. There we go. On the Ned rig. There we go, fellas. On the Ned rig. He slammed it too. There we go, y'all. Maybe it's a largie. I thought it was a spot at first. Good little fish. No, this is a spot. This is a spot. He's got a soft tongue, but this is a spotted bass. So good little fish here. He hit that about 20 feet deep. Hit that Ned rig. So let's get him. Good fish. Let's measure him up. There we go. There we go on that Ned rig, y'all. On the Ned rig. Oh my God. Y'all, not twice. Twice? Twice? I thought this was a 6-pound bass. Okay, so we caught a few fish today. Caught one on the chatterbait in about 3-4 feet of water, and then caught one just now on the Ned rig out of desperation. You could always catch a fish on the Ned rig if they're not biting. Pro tip of the millennium. Caught him in about 20 feet of water on a Zman Ned rig. So Zman times 2 today. So it's really windy out here and it's getting kind of choppy, and fishing's still not great. So I'm heading in, and I had fun. You know, this is a day off work. I had lots of fun. So appreciate it, y'all, for watching, and hope you had as much fun watching this as I did out here fishing in this. So thanks again for watching till the end. I appreciate it. Thanks again for hitting that like button, and please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to our little channel. It helps us out. Thanks again, y'all. We'll see you next time on P.O. Box Lake.